If you are using Ozempic, there is a good chance you might be making one of these needle mistakes without even realizing it. These small errors can lead to pain, infection, or even getting the wrong dose. But do not worry. I am going to walk you through exactly how to avoid them. In this video, we are going over 5 Ozempic needle safety tips based on real advice from doctors and official guidance from the manufacturer. I am a licensed pharmacist, and this is Pharmacist Online. I take complicated health topics and make them simple and easy to understand. In our last video, we talked about the serious side effects and safety warnings you need to know before starting Ozempic. Now, let us shift gears and talk about something just as important: how to use the injection safely and correctly. Let us dive into the first and most common mistake. Mistake number 1, reusing the needle. Never reuse an Ozempic needle. These needles are made for one-time use only. Reusing them dulls the tip, which makes your next shot more painful. It also increases your risk of infection and could cause you to receive the wrong dose. Mistake number 2, changing the needle but using the pen incorrectly. Yes, the same pen is used for multiple doses, but each injection must be done with a brand new, sterile needle. Never try to clean or disinfect an old needle. Just use it once and throw it away safely. Mistake number 3, sharing your Ozempic pen. Even if you change the needle, never share your pen. Blood and medication can stay inside the pen itself, which puts both people at risk of infection. The Food and Drug Administration and the company that makes Ozempic are very clear. One pen, one person. Mistake number 4, ignoring the dangers of dull needles. A reused needle does not just hurt more, it can cause skin damage, bruising, or swelling. And it can lead to uneven or incomplete doses. That means your blood sugar may not be properly controlled, and over time, it can really mess with your treatment plan. Mistake number 5, not following the instructions. Ozempic's official instructions say to use a new needle every time. That is not just a suggestion, it is a safety rule. It helps you stay accurate, consistent, and protected from complications. So, what is the bottom line? One pen, one person. One needle, one use. That is the golden rule. Following proper needle safety does a lot. It reduces pain and bruising. It lowers your risk of infection. It ensures you get your full, accurate dose, and it helps keep your treatment on track. Have questions about how to use Ozempic safely? Drop them in the comments. I am here to help you feel confident and informed. In the next video, we are going to go over the best way to inject Ozempic for maximum comfort and how to reduce common side effects during and after the shot. Be sure to subscribe so you do not miss it. If this video helped you feel more prepared, tap that like button and leave a comment with your experience or your own tips. And do not forget to subscribe to Pharmacist Online for more simple, clear health advice that actually works in real life. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health.